Our yards are like small ecosystems. They can have a wide variety of species, or they can have very few.
As our urban areas are starting to expand, we're pushing farther and farther into natural areas.
We caught up with Gail Hansen from the University of Florida to ask why biodiversity in our yards is so important.
Biodiversity, which is short for biological diversity, refers to the abundance and the huge variety of life on Earth. Here in the state of Florida, we are growing rapidly, and our urban areas are pushing into our natural areas. And so we need to make sure that we keep nature healthy because we derive a lot of benefits called ecosystem services from nature. That's where we get the air we breathe, clean water, food, medicine, shelter, fuel. All of that is provided to us from nature. So we have to make sure that we support nature and support biodiversity. The simplest thing you can do is add more plants to your yard. Have a greater variety of plants and a larger number of plants. You can increase the size of your plant beds so that you can plant more plants in there. The minute that you put more plants in your yard, there's more of a chance that you are going to have more butterflies that you can watch. And also you're going to have more bees and other pollinators, which is critically important for our environment because that's one of the habitats that we are losing is pollinator habitats. If everyone can think of their yard as a place where they can improve the environment and be more environmentally proactive, then the best thing to do is think about making it more biodiverse.